Welcome back to Math Dogs. If you're new to the channel, please comment, like, and subscribe. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Problem number 4 says find the sum of the polynomials 3x squared minus 8x plus 1 plus negative 5x squared minus 8x plus 2. And so I have two polynomials in this problem. Both of those are trinomials, which means there's 3 terms in them. And I want to find the sum, and so we see the addition sign in between. And this problem is really about combining like terms. So in the first polynomial, I have an x squared term. In fact, I have 3x squared. And that's a like term, or the same name as negative 5x squared in the second polynomial. Remember, terms are named by the variables and exponents that are on them. So 3x squared minus 5x squared will be negative 2x squared as the first term in my sum. And then again in my first polynomial I have a negative 8x, and I have the same like term negative 8x in the second polynomial. And so negative 8x plus negative 8x is negative 16x. That will be the second term of my sum. And then last but not least I have number terms, a positive 1 and a positive 2, and simply 1 plus 2 is 3. And so the sum of these two polynomials gives me a trinomial of negative 2x squared minus 16x plus 3.